Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and wish you all a very, very, very happy new year, Taurus. All my Taurus friends out there, I hope you all started the year with a big smile for yourself, right? So that we're going to start this year with a love bite, it seems. And this time I'm going to be asking a very specific question just to make it a little fun, all right? So, my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Taurus friends and send them the messages they need to hear for this reading. Thank you so much. So, Taurus, let's also take an angel blessing card to top the reading and then we'll begin. My angels, blessing, guidance, or an advice card for my Taurus, please. Blessing, guidance, or an advice card for my Taurus. This one. All right, let's keep this one, Taurus. Put the rest back. And the card I have for you is Steady Progress. Wow. All right. Good. See, I told you 2021 is going to be good for you. Steady progress is going to happen. Now, in which area, I don't know. I hopefully, this is my wish for you, for your success, for your abundance in every area of your life. Mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, financially, and in love. So let's see. Let's start your love bite and see. The question that I want to ask Taurus is, how was the person who's connected with you or who's on your mind? How was this person feeling? What were their hidden emotions on 31st December, New Year's Eve? What did they really feel that night, whether you guys were together or separated? What were their hidden emotions that day? Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being with me last year, and as much as you feel the readings helped you, I promise you they kept me motivated. All your comments, your likes, your shares, your donations. I'm also very grateful, and I'm so happy that you're joining me again today on this ride to a beautiful new year. And if you're new here, Taurus, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Taurus, bottom of my deck, I do see the Three of Cups. So, this could be a party on 31st December night for New Year's Eve, or this could be somebody wishing to have you back. Let's take some dialogue message cards and see. Let's just open the cards first. So, 10 of Wands, 8 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles, Hierophant, Knight of Wands, Page of Swords, the Fool, the Lovers, and the Four of Pentacles. All right, so let's take some dialogue message cards and then I'll start interpreting these cards. So Spirit Taurus and their person, if they could say something to each other, or what would their partner have liked to say to them, or what were they thinking on New Year's Eve regarding them? What were their innermost thoughts that evening on New Year's Eve? Okay, got 4. Let's take a couple more from here, Taurus. Taurus to their partner or vice versa. Okay. All right, Taurus. The first card I have here for you, Taurus, always on my mind and in my heart. Yes, that's you, always and forever. Second card. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same way as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. All right. So okay, let's finish the cards first. I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I am on fire waiting for you. Somebody definitely wants a reunion, but for what? I mean, that's the question here. Our separation has destroyed me. There are times when I haven't wanted to live. I've wondered if you would even notice if I no longer existed. So there's been a separation. Maybe this person was a little immature here, Taurus, because center of my spread, I do see the Knight of Wands in reverse. So this could have been immature energy. Yes, there could have been fire. There could have been sexual attraction, but this person never really took responsibility as they should have of the relationship. And now they're coming in to say, hey, I never really felt good enough for you. But I guess I don't know whether that's the truth or these are excuses. Next card. I want us to build trust and work on a foundation of friendship before we have a romantic and sexual relationship. So now I think because this was all fire and passion and nothing fruitified, if you guys have to get back together, I think one partner is saying, if we have to begin again, it has to go slow. We have to lay a firm foundation, otherwise it's going to blow up once again, right? So next card says, it pisses me off as how your karmic has photos of you all over social media trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know this is complete bullshit. This is on New Year's Eve. That's how one person was feeling. I have moved out of the energy divine feminine waiting for you. Instead, I have chosen to focus on healing myself. I haven't written you off entirely, but I haven't expected to hear from you either. So I think this is the divine masculine who's saying that I'm trying to heal myself. I haven't written you off. Yes, I wasn't 100% sure that our relationship would ever fructify or not, but I think I'm taking some time off to heal myself. Anyway, so this has been a very burdening relationship, Taurus. One person's feeling very overwhelmed here. They are still kind of waiting for communication from their partner, only because they feel totally left out, maybe abandoned, and they don't want to feel that way. The whole problem in this relationship has been some kind of a marriage or a commitment. Either one partner was married, or there was a problem of getting together in a commitment. Maybe one partner wasn't ready to commit to the other person, and the other one was, I think, just little immature here. But even though things have not worked out, somebody is still keeping a watch, somebody is still keeping a look, somebody is still waiting for some communication, wanting to take a fresh leap of faith into the future, and wanting, because this seems like a very strong connection between the two of you. You people are very drawn to each other, even if it's only sexually or the makings of a stronger relationship. Somebody wants the other person not to hold back now. They're saying, make a decision, come towards me, and don't hold back anymore. Yes, somebody does want to or at least that evening that they were thinking, yes, I would have loved to party with my partner. I wonder where they are, and I wonder if they still kind of think of me, even though maybe you guys didn't communicate with each other, maybe you guys never even met each other that day. Somebody was wishing and hoping here for a return, even if it was only for maybe sexual healing here, right? So yes, somebody has to, I think, grow up, mature up before this can happen. A firm foundation has to be made, Taurus. Steady progress in this relationship may take it somewhere. This is still quite a wishy-washy kind of a situation. There is a lot of attraction. There's a lot of somebody not feeling good enough, somebody feeling that, there is no foundation. It's becoming only sexual. So let's kind of build on this. So yes, that's how your person was feeling, that why is my person holding back? I want to re-begin again. I want them to come back to me. I want them to be with me, basically. All right. So that's all I have for you, Taurus. Take care. Love and light. Namaste.